In today's video, I'm going to teach you patched how to make Replit code run 24/7 Python and NodeJS. Start on the Replit homepage. Once you're in, open the chat panel and ask it to help you create a basic website with Python and NodeJS that stays online after you publish. That prompt gives the assistant enough context to scaffold a simple Flask or Express app and set up the files you'll need. Before we dive in, take a quick tour of the project types so you know what's available. You'll see options like web app, mobile app, data app, 3D game, agents and automations, and a general category. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on web app, since it's the right fit for deploying something that can run continuously online. Choose web app and click Start. This opens the agent chat, where you can be specific about your stack and features. For example, you can say you want a minimal homepage route, a simple health check endpoint, and a basic HTML template. Clear prompts will help the agent generate cleaner code. Click Build to let the agent create the initial structure. When prompted, pick Make, Test, Iterate, so you can quickly preview changes and refine them. Follow the on-screen highlights to learn where your files live, where to run your app, and how to see logs. Use the chat to ask questions and plan your next steps. Things like adding a static route, reading environment variables for secrets, or deciding between Flask and Fast API, Express and Koa. Keep building and testing until your preview looks good. Now, let's get it live. Click Publish. You may see a couple of confirmation screens or guided highlights. Keep clicking through until you reach the Publish confirmation. Publishing moves your project from the in-editor preview to a hosted deployment with a public URL. A quick note about staying online. 24/7. Older workarounds that pinged your app to keep it awake no longer apply. Publishing is the supported path. Choose deployment settings that fit your needs, and be aware that uptime depends on the hosting tier you select. If you expect steady traffic or background jobs, make sure your deployment type supports continuous availability. Once published, copy the provided URL and open it in a new tab to confirm everything loads. If you spot an issue, return to the agent chat, adjust your code, click Build again, and republish. Keep your logs open while you test so you can catch errors early. And remember to store sensitive values as environment variables rather than hard-coding them. That's it. You've created a Python or Node.js web app in Replit, built it with the agent's help,